Welcome to today's video. If you're looking to share your Roblox profile link on PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, it's easier than ever. Let's dive into how you can quickly copy your Roblox profile link in just a few simple steps. First, start by opening Roblox on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile seamlessly. Once you're in the Roblox interface, look towards the top of the page. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your games and friends are just a click away. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look under your username on the profile page, and you'll spot a QR code icon. This is a new feature that Roblox has added, making it easier for friends or new players to find your profile. Click on that QR code icon. After clicking on it, a small menu will pop up with several options. What you want to do next is click on Copy Profile Link. With just a single click, your profile link is now copied to your clipboard. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Roblox profile link. You can now paste it anywhere you like, be it social media, gaming forums, or even sending it directly to your friends. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Roblox and other gaming content. Happy gaming!